20-stroke-year-old massive aneurysm. How are we outside?
Oh, you can watch Maggie.
You can enjoy each other's nonsense. You don't say. Well, back in my day, people never had to come to Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taking care of. That's it, Maggie. Stay with Grandpa. Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel. Or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold.
Is it ice cream?
No revenge!
Go.
You're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day?
Simpsons, get in that ride.
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad!
I've waited in line an hour for this thing, and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please wash your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the crusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you're seated, please pull down on the lap bar. Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times. No still or motion picture photography of any kind is allowed. Thanks for your attention. Enjoy the ride.
Come on, everyone. Sit down. Time's a wasted. The faster we do the ride, the sooner I can hit the bathroom. Now already, so Sideshow Bob can chill out. Hey, let's play the sit-down game. Rule number 1, sit down. Rule number 2, keep doing it. Rule number 3, the end. Now sit down. All the seats are the same except the ones that are better. That'll make an annoying noise until you sit down. Okay, ride's over. Kidding.
Don't worry, folks. Your comfort and safety is in the hands of highly qualified teens like myself. We're required to take an extensive training course and not wear facial hair. Enjoy yourself, but keep the screaming down. I have a math test to study for. If I don't get a C, I get kicked out of the audio-visual club. Oh.
Hands out the vehicle at all times, touching the door handle because their vehicle is stuck.
No, pero también el muchacho nos mandó la foto.
I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
A roller coaster!
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my doctor!
My next victim. So anyway, where are you all?
Well, not only are you done killing us, I'm having fun!
They said to stay seated.
Oh, that's a lot of corporate... Our wallet just fell out! Hey, I can see our car! You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, Bull. We're both big and round and never finished high school! Save me, tourists!
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth.
You're gonna die!
The kiddie ride.
At least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ. You shut up. Say we.
Alone at last.
Bob's trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Now, Homer, because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you. Oh, beer!
Homer, it's a temptation.
Did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reactions!
You foiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Onward, convenient way out!
By the way, Ellen's very wet! Marge, stay away from the ramp! Okay, this is no longer fun!
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
The radiation into Maggie!
Why, they grow up so fast!
Shut up, Thomas!
Do not fear a bird is
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
Careful, the baby is wet and presumed drinking.
I'm not gonna change that diaper!
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Destroy something!
You drink if you want it. Get away from my baby.
Maggie, that's not a pacifier!
Get those tourists out of your mouth. Look where they've been.
Home sweet home! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are flapping, my friend!
Bring that big gravity! I'm a baby bird!
This must be the part where they take your picture. Okay? Smile.
You've got 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let me go again!
Well, that's our ride. Hey, what does this do?